Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What are you doing? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious doing that? You're not doing that. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You're kidding me. Get the I'm gonna go get the cop, okay? Because I fully at the spot and you come right up my ass. You make an illegal U-turn. Come up my ass. Yeah, I'll move up. Sorry. Thank you, sir. Sorry to waste your time with that. Bless it.
Yeah, that truck. Counting up 100, that's for worse. That was just for lunch. With these rappers, they might.
Oh my... What the... man? You should not be on that side. Crazy.
Like, yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, he wasn't rude, but it was funny. Holy crap, this homie just ran That is already.
She made all that big deal and it's only a day later.
Yeah. Look. Oh.
Boy, do we have a great car debate. Number one from Chris is regularly in this area. It's one versus desire. What he's writing to request our recommendation on fulfill both his desire and practicality.
Minimal side effects. I'm just saying this to demonstrate that this is not a significant issue in my life anymore. And it is not necessary for many people to know. I started dating my boyfriend almost a year ago.
Video lock.
Is not.
Yeah, he's okay, doing fine, maybe a little shook up, and you can check out the full story at 1045wjjk.com.
Oh shit.
Wait a minute. Those are the real numbers, but you go online, it doesn't feel like that, does it?
Dude.
Huh. That's really a consensus, at least much more than you'd guess by reading things online. What you're seeing on social media is not reflection, it's instruction.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.